Good day everyone. So you might already heard about a lot of tools that can help you to create or transform the long video into the short, or you can become the clipper using the certain platform like the AI or another platform. But in this video I'm gonna share you that this CapCut can do the same thing, that is to transform the long video into the short. How to do that? I'm gonna show you how. So the first step you can do here, you can open this CapCut, and here I use the PC to get more spacious view, but you can also try it into your phone. And after that you can start to click this long video to short, and this also powered by the AI. And after that you can drag or dropping the file into this section. For example, I will click this, and for example I will select this video and kindly wait for this video being uploaded. And after that it will bring you into this section, and you can also see the part or the section that you would like to transform it into the short video. As you can see, you can select the part you want to convert the video. It means that this gonna transform the long video into the short from the beginning until the end. However, I'm gonna shortening it like this, for example. Perfect. And also you can choose the caption template or the subtitle. And for example, I'm gonna choose this one. And for the duration short, I'm gonna choose it to be below the 30 seconds. And you can also put your request into this section, like include specific moment to find the part that has the best insight. Or for example, I will put the mine, for example, like this. And after that, you can continue to convert it. And as you can see here, the time needed approximately reached to 4 minutes. And also the time left I have now will be 300 minutes, guys. So you can continue to convert and kindly wait for the result. And after waiting for a while, this gonna be the result. And even this CapCut give you the mark, like the video that have the possibility to get trending, guys. For example, here and here, here. And as you can see, this CapCut create you 6 samples of video. And for example, you can start to play it out. Attach photo into the cinematic double exposure, and basically the prompt gonna be like this, guys. Attach photo into the cinematic double exposure. And this video particularly has a portrait of a man and woman facing opposite directions and their profiles. And for example, this one, well guys, could you believe that you can create the couple photo into the double exposure like this exposure? And this will be guys, another tool that I will use your email. The nano can go to this. So if in case you decide to use one of these short, you need to check it out, or check one of the sample of the video that already follow your expectation. And in case if you want it, then you can start to export it. And you can do the adjustment like the name, the folder to place this short video, and also the settings like the resolution until the frame rate, until this caption if you want to. And after that you can continue to export, and there you have it. This gonna be the result and ready to upload into your short video, let's say on the YouTube or even the TikTok or the Instagram Reels. And not only to export it, you can also continue to edit it too. Click edit, and you can go to this edit more or the caption style over here, and you can do the adjustment using the effect, audio, or even let's say the masking or add the animation. So that's all guys, I hope this video found you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to share comments there. And again, don't forget to try this, making this clipper video using this CapCut. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.